Hello YouTube. Hello YouTubers. This is my auntie and uncle's speaker glacier fridge, but doing a video freezer as well. Starting with, it's a very reliable fridge. It's Turkey made. It's very reliable stuff. This I can show you larder fridge. With your eggs, all the eggs and everything in there, and there's beers and glacier in there, and I think. It says last. This is what this was in the den, and then this where you tomato sauce pizza in there, margarita pizza, stone baked margarita pizza. Safety there, BMBEAB approved. On this blomberg freezer here. This is a brand new freezer because the other freezer are broke. That's about it. 3-year guarantee. Blomberg freezer. That's really broke them. Thanks for watching. See you in a bit.